All right, let's get to our forecast here now. Madison Mike is giving us a pretty cold forecast, which is okay because we've expected it this whole week, so we're okay.
Yeah, we're heading into the end of November. December is knocking on our door. So yeah, getting to
we
feel...
have to answer.
Yeah, unfortunately. So yeah, we're going to be talking about snow. We've talked about all sorts of things you need to be prepared for this week for Winter Weather Awareness Week. Today, I wanted to focus specifically on this question I got on Facebook a little while ago. Julie wanted to know what's the warmest we can be where we can still see snow. And that's going to be around 42, 43 degrees at the surface. But we've got some other conditions that have to be met. One thing that's very important is how deep is that layer of warm air. If we've got a lot of warm air at the surface, a really thick layer, when that cold air, that snow meets it, it's going to have enough time to warm up and melt. So it comes down just as rain. If we've got some warm air sandwiched between cold air at the surface, just a little teeny tiny layer, the thickness is really important. It's going to melt and then refreeze right as it hits the surface, and that's how we get freezing rain. Sleet is pretty similar, but we have a thicker layer of cold air, so it gives it a little bit more time to refreeze into those little pellets. And then when we get just snow, we've got a layer of just cold air. So again, if we're around 42, 43 degrees and we've got a nice thin layer of warm air right at the surface, we're warm enough, we're cold enough aloft that as those snowflakes come down, there's not a lot of time, for them to melt. So that's what we're talking about when it comes to snowfall. We're not seeing a ton of that out there today. A few flurries might cause a few slick spots, but not going to be a widespread issue or even something that we really keep track of into the afternoon. Now, one thing that we will keep track of into the afternoon, it's going to be cold temperatures. We're stepping out the door to 28 degrees in Bucyrus, 29 in Marion, 31 in Columbus, 30 in Circleville, Lancaster, also 30 degrees, and 28 in MacArthur. Factoring in winds out of the west, it feels a little bit chillier, more like 19 degrees right now in Marion, 22 in Columbus, 21 Circleville, 22 in MacArthur, and 24 degrees in Athens. This afternoon, there's not a lot of change in the forecast. We're going to hold on to cloud cover, so that really doesn't give us a lot of room to warm up. Plus, we've got a cold front passing through. It's not strong enough to drop our temperatures during the daytime hours, but it will drop us a little bit as we head into your weekend. So again, today's high, about 33 degrees with winds out of the west at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Not a bad day, but definitely one where I'd say grab the hat, grab the gloves. You might want to start the car a little bit early. Those snow showers that we're seeing right now might cause some slick spots as well. Those are going to begin to push to the east and break down after 10 o'clock and into the lunchtime hour. By around 2 to 3, we're pretty dry. We're starting to see some peaks of sunshine. That's where we get a little bit of warmth put back in the forecast. But again, it's not a lot. Overnight, we're dealing with clear skies, and that's going to be a bit of a problem. We'll have clear skies, calm winds, perfect conditions for dropping temperatures. We wake up tomorrow morning with 20s for most spots, and we don't see a lot of change through Saturday. Now, here's a little update. If you're counting down, we've got 6 days until Thanksgiving. 30 till Hanukkah, 37 until Christmas, and 44 until New Year's Eve. So your 6 days to Thanksgiving, that's what's important. You want to make sure you get your shopping done, but also 6 days from now, things are going to be a little bit warmer. We've got some change headed our way. Temperatures are down to the 30s through Saturday and Sunday. We warm back up to the 40s by Monday and Tuesday, 50s by Wednesday. Then we talk about another system. This one's going to come through, drop our temperatures by another few degrees, but keep us pretty comfortable through Thanksgiving Day. So let's walk through that here. Again, Sunday, sunny. Monday, same story. Tuesday, Wednesday, not a whole lot of change. But by Thursday, we start to bring in a few clouds, and then here comes our chance for showers by Thursday night. The system's going to be pretty widespread with falling temperatures that are going to be just cool enough to keep us seeing a little bit of a rain-snow mix. Today, warming back up, starting off chilly. We'll have highs back in the mid-30s. And then again this week, slowly going to be dropping temperatures through the weekend. So we've got a high of 33 Saturday, 30 on Sunday, 45 by Monday, warming up. Tuesday looks pretty good too. Wednesday, not too bad. Thanksgiving Day, 48 degrees. Our next system arrives on Friday. It's going to bring us a widespread chance for showers, maybe a little bit of a rain-snow mix mixed in. Temperatures hold in the 40s through the following weekend.